You carry the most powerful technology in the known universe right inside your skull, and most people have no idea how incredible it really is. Welcome to the channel. Let's start with something simple. Your brain runs on electricity, enough to power a small light bulb. Right now, your brain is firing off more electrical signals than every cell tower on Earth combined. But what makes it truly fascinating isn't just its power. It's how little of it we consciously use. Contrary to the myth, we don't use just 10% of our brain. Instead, most of our decisions are made without our awareness. Over 95% of your daily behavior is automatic. You're living on autopilot, and your brain prefers it that way. It's designed to conserve energy. That's why habits are so powerful. Once you repeat something enough, your brain wires it in. It becomes effortless, good or bad. Speaking of wiring, your brain is constantly changing. It rewires itself every day. This is called neuroplasticity. It means you're not stuck with the brain you were born with. You can literally reshape how you think. But here's where it gets crazy. Your brain can trick itself. Studies show it can create fake memories. It fills in blanks when information is missing. So sometimes what you remember never actually happened. Still think you're in control? Get this. The gut has its own nervous system, often called the second brain. Over 90% of the serotonin in your body is produced in your gut. So your mood, your motivation, even your anxiety, they're deeply tied to what you eat. And when it comes to energy, your brain makes up only 2% of your body weight, but consumes 20% of your total energy. It's the hungriest organ you have. Now here's a time travel twist. Your brain doesn't actually experience the present moment. It's always slightly behind. By about 80 milliseconds, your mind is predicting the present based on the past. And it gets even wilder. Every thought you think creates a physical change. Neurons connect. Pathways strengthen. Thinking literally reshapes your brain. That's how affirmations and visualization actually work. They aren't magic. They're biology. Now imagine this. You dream every night, even if you don't remember it. Dreams aren't random. They help you process emotion, file away memories, and even solve problems. Some of history's greatest inventions came from dreams. The brain never truly sleeps. Even when you're out cold, it's sorting, repairing, storing. Here's something you didn't expect. You're born with all the brain cells you'll ever have. Roughly 86 billion neurons. And each one can make thousands of connections. The number of possible combinations, more than the atoms in the universe. Now think about this. Multitasking, it's a myth. Your brain can't fully focus on two things at once. It just switches rapidly. That's why multitasking makes you slower and less accurate. Want a mental edge? Focus on one thing at a time. And here's a hidden superpower: the placebo effect. Your brain can heal your body just by believing it's being healed. That's how powerful belief really is. Finally, the brain's biggest secret: it doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. If you visualize success vividly, your brain starts preparing your body to achieve it. That means you're always programming your future, even when you don't realize it. So the next time you doubt yourself, remember this. The most advanced machine in existence is already in your possession. The question is, are you using it on purpose or letting it run on default? If this blew your mind even a little, hit like, share, and subscribe. Because this is just the beginning of unlocking your full potential. See you next time!